How to log into your Just Eat account after forgetting password. Here, the very first thing you want to do is simply get the Just Eat application, or you can get into justeat.co.uk and get into the browser, and here simply tap on login. If you are on the application, you can simply tap on that login button you'll be able to see, and you'll be able to get into the login page. After doing that, there's no complicated process or even the like the password. There's no even requirement of adding down the password of your account. If you have used any of those platforms to create your account, you can tap on any of them, and then you'll be able to log into your account. But here, if you have used your email address, you can simply add in your email address right here. Then when you tap on get verification code, you'll actually be able to get a verification code. Simply write that verification code down, and once you tap on login, you'll successfully be able to log into your account without the requirement of any of your passwords. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.